today I want to show you the Mission Eyewear customizable collection, and you can choose between 40 colors which are readily available at Genera. So I would advise you to choose like 6 colors and start with that, and then you can select that here and you will have the color number on the temple alongside with the other options. So let's choose another model just for fun, and then we go to the customization process. So we can change lens width, length, height, and bridge, and we can, yeah, nice model, nice color. So let's go for it. We make the lens a little bit, maybe we have, let's imagine we have a small face, so we go like -2 and -1 with the bridge, but we want to have a really bold frame. So, and I can showcase you this, because we can reduce the glass inside the frame, so we can have a bolder frame. And let's put a name of the customer into the temple instead of the model name, and the temple length maybe also quite short. Custom head width, so between the ears, how much do we need? Let's reduce this as well and calculate that. So basically that's it. We have some more options I will show you later. So bolder frame, smaller glass, smaller bridge. If you're a Genera customer, you can also use this to have everything automatically supported. I will show that later, but now just want to show you how to export the frame. You have to enable export and accept that, download, and it will now be zipped, and you will get 4 files with that. And there it is. We can go to our download folder and open that, and there we have a PDF with some basic drawing that shows you frame and the temples and the parameters which were used. And also you can have a look in Windows on the files. This is the middle part, and of course temple with the name, and the other temple with the size and the engraving of the color if you want. So that's basically how fast you can make customizable eyewear and make it ready for printing. Thank you very much. If you have questions, don't hesitate to get in touch.